Okay, so the tail trip is next week, and there's a lot of stuff that I want to get done in Miata. So as of right now, I want to get the front bumper painted, so this needs to all come off. I want to get the exhaust wrapped. I want to delete the charcoal cans for the EGR valve and the windshield bottle. I also have a radiator that I ordered. That's supposed to get here on Monday, 2 days from now. That also has to get done before the trip. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do right now is probably take off the front bumper. That frees up a lot of space, and that's probably just gonna be off for the next few days. It's one of the things I've been putting off for the longest, honestly, and I just want it done. Okay, the front bumper is finally off. That took way too fucking long. I hate taking off the front bumper on Miatas. That's why I've been putting it off for so goddamn long. Okay, so it's actually the next day now. I got the front bumper off and just pulled off the heat shield for my exhaust manifold. And I kind of just got tired of doing things. And also my Oculus Rift got here, so like, I had to stop and play VR games, obviously. So like, next two things I'm gonna do, deleting the washer bottle and deleting the charcoal canister thingy, and probably also do the header wrap. I don't know how much of that I'm actually gonna film. It's just really simple shit that I can bang out in like less than an hour, so I'm just gonna do that real quick and show you guys the result. That just took way too long. Basically, I deleted the charcoal canisters right here. This hard line right here was the in, and this was the outside. I just connected the in to the out, so it's just a bypass hose. The solenoid right here, this is just looped around, so it's in vacuum, so is this one. And then the windshield fluid, it was just 2 bolts. I got rid of the bottle, plugs right here, and the hose kind of just went around here. Freed up a lot of space on this side of the engine bay, so it's a lot cleaner. So painstakingly wrapped my header while it was still in the car. That's not fun, I don't recommend it. So now I kind of need to do all the body work for my front bumper and then paint it. I also want to get an oil change done. It's the next day. I stopped filming yesterday after I finished everything because I had shit to do. Anyways, I'm gonna hop on this. It's just gonna be a bunch of sanding and sitting around and doing nothing, so I'm not gonna bother filming any of it. Okay, so I got the entire bumper sanded down, and I started spraying some high-fill primer on spots that, you know, just need a little filler. Progress there. I basically need to just go over and sand this entire thing down, hit it with another coat of primer, and just make sure it's perfect before I paint it. I'm gonna start doing that later today, but for now, my radiator got here. This fucking chunk. So this is a eBay radiator. I'm not gonna point out who this is made by, but like, I mean, as you can see, it's basically just a knockoff Mishimoto. This install, however, I am gonna film because I feel like radiators are one of those things that like, it's really simple, but it's kind of scary because there's fluids involved. So I'm gonna get working on this. So I know it might seem kind of stupid that I'm jacked up over the curb like this. I mean, this is probably the flattest way the car is gonna be. Yeah, it's good. So radiator installs are relatively easy. I mean, it's just essentially 2 hoses, 2 plugs for the fans, and 2 bolts. So first, I'm just gonna take the radiator cap off. And so next, there's this panel will come down, and then behind it, there's the lower radiator hose. And it's basically just held on by one of these stupid hose clamps. So once you take this hose clamp off, coolant's just gonna start pouring out of here. So that's the bottom radiator hose. Now the top one, now's probably a good time to pull off this hose, which is the hose that goes to your overflow canister. That just slides right off. I'm gonna remove my intake real quick. So that's I'm just gonna take this top radiator hose off. Top hose is off. I'm gonna unplug all my fans. So now that the fans are undone, it's literally just 2 bolts to get the Miata radiator out. The one right here, and the same one on the other side right here. I finally got it out. So basically what I did was, since there wasn't enough clearance between the hook and the AC condenser, I just loosened this bolt on the AC condenser so it had just a little bit of wiggle room to slide out. If I had another belt right now, I'd replace this because this one's like really cracked. It looks kind of shitty. Okay, so I actually had a buddy of mine pick me up, went to AutoZone, grabbed a new belt. So I'm kind of just gonna toss this in there. It's pretty self-explanatory. The tensioner is right here and it's just based off the power steering pump. So that was not hard at all. Let's get the new radiator in. Oh man, perfect timing. I just got that in. That was such a pain in the fucking ass because like I kept getting snagged up on that side, the exact same spot. Hi. Got the new radiator in. Ooh, spicy. Okay, now that the radiator's in there, we gotta wire up the fans. Okay, it is really dark, but it's in. You guys might be able to see it. It's in. I've had the car running for like the past 10 minutes, just getting it warmed up, making sure the fan kicks on, and it does. I'm gonna put the car back together because it's still on jack stands and I don't want it to be on jack stands. So now that I know everything works, I'll shut the car off and basically just throw everything back together. Now all I have to get done is finish the front bumper and I am ready for the tail. Okay, so the garage right now is sort of my little makeshift paint booth. It's really windy outside. There's a lot of leaves and shit falling and it's not pretty outside. This whole thing's primered. I'm not gonna bother with the tiny imperfections because I mean it's a front bumper, it's gonna get rock chips and shit anyways. I'm gonna just go ahead and throw the base coat on here. For now, it's good enough. I'm just gonna get painted. So, I know I didn't film a lot, but basically I ended up running out of paint. You can still see some primer down there. So I didn't clear coat it at all. I just threw it back on the car. I'm gonna order another can of paint and once that comes in, I'm gonna finish the front bumper. So for now, I think I'm good. I might attempt to tint my windows tomorrow. Wow, so I started tinting and I'm not gonna lie, it is a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. I'm not saying it's not easy, but like, it's easier than I thought. I've gotten this whole side done and I think that looks pretty good. Like, look at that. I think I did a pretty good job on this side, at least. Now do the driver's side. Okay, so I got the main panel on this door done. Did fuck up a little right here in this corner. I kind of cut a little too far down, but like, it doesn't really matter. When the door's closed, it's like, it's in this clusterfuck. And I'll probably finish the rest after my last class. Okay, so I got back and I finally got both of the doors completely done. I thought I would have enough for the hardtop, but I actually didn't. Not doing the rear window. It's not a big deal. I'll just get some more tint film stuff. So I think that's it for all of my tail trip prep. Everything is done. Hey, get off my car. Hey, go away. Go.